Hey guys, alrighty. So this is a short week. Remember, we are basically only going to be trading for 3 days this week. Today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Going into Thursday, markets are closed. Remember, and then Friday is a half day. Highly recommend avoiding trading that half day though. So today, bulls came out, and basically this looks like a massive bull flag that we finally are breaking out of to the upside. So if we take a look at SPY here today to make a new 52-week high, it's about 1% from where the high of day is today. Now, to make a new all-time high, we are roughly about 5.4% away from making a new, not or a new all-time high. So tomorrow is FOMOC minutes release day. So remember, it is not a FOMOC meeting. What it is a release of the data and what was basically said script-wise from previous FOMOC meetings. So the 2-day meeting, it'll tell you basically everything transcript-wise that was said. Going into that meeting, there's really nothing, in my opinion, to be bearish about. Something I've never seen before, especially a month out and 2 months out. The December and January FOMOC meetings right now, it is 100% odds that we will continue the pause. I have never seen this far out for a meeting a 100% certainty in odds. It's always almost like 90, 95 maybe. So that's really impressive. As of right now, markets are expecting the first cut to come in March of 2024. After that, the 7 meetings that follow, well, I guess if you include March, the 7 meetings from March until December of 2024, the market is starting to price in odds of a cut every single meeting. But the highest probability right now is 100 basis points of cuts by the end of year. So remember, we had that really, really good CPI print last week. With that good CPI print, again, I don't see anything that the Fed could have said or talked about that will be taken bearishly by the algos. I'm expecting another follow-on green day tomorrow. After we closed over finally our September high here of 453.27, now we are going to target this 457.87 supply and then eventually 461.56. At this point, bears are going to need to close somewhere probably under 449.1 to have any sort of hope of further downside. Going over to futures here, we actually put in a new demand here at 45.26. So we now have a double demand support from 45.14 to 45.26. I would not be short until we close under that level. With a closure over 45.56, we are going to start targeting 45.95 and 46.20 area. That is the high from here, and then also from right here in September. Now, when we go over to the Qs here, we have a new 52-week high, and if you look, we take about where the high a day is to the all-time highs. We're only about 4.4% from a new all-time high. So now here, same thing. It looks like we had a massive bull flag breakout with a closure over these supplies, and these supplies go all the way back here to 2021. With a closure over these levels, my next major level is up here at 400.1. Now going over to NQ, same thing. We actually put a new demand in today at 15,870, so I would not be short until we closed under 15,870. But my next upside target is, if you go back all the way to this 2021 era, we have a target of 16,333. And then from there, we're looking at 16,500 to 16,600 area. So again, we're looking at a pretty strong Santa rally possibility here. I am very bullish going in to FOMOC meetings tomorrow, or minutes tomorrow, and then the FOMOC meeting in December, and then obviously end of year. So to me, this looks really strong for the upside. When we take a look at the VIX here, the VIX actually had a bearish engulfing, which is impressive because so Friday actually was a red day. So we closed down 3.63%. But you can see we actually engulfed a red day with another red day Always impressive to see that happen. But we rejected the 8 EMA here, and now we are under 14.14, obviously, but we're going to start targeting this 12.8 support area. You can see now this has been ultimate support all the way back from June into September. And if you really zoom out here, going all the way back to 2019 and 2020 area right here, this has been a major support area, even back here in 2019 and even the beginning of 2019 here. And then you can go all the way back to 2018 area, and this 12.8 area has been a massive magnet. So basically what I'm expecting to play out into the end of this week and end of month is that VIX is going to come down eventually to 12.8, and we're going to start to target that all-time high and certainly a new 52-week high in the markets here. So pretty bullish day today. I'm expecting a bullish setup tomorrow too. There is a possibility something could come up in those minutes that could drop the market, but realistically, any drop in this market, I would be buying the dip in it.